Picture this, you're sweating over a difficult conversation, but with this one AI trick, you'll feel cool and collected. Curious how? I get it. Those tough talks? They can be brutal, right? The anxiety before you even open your mouth is real. But what if I told you there's a way to walk into those talks feeling prepared, not petrified? You've probably heard the usual advice, just be yourself, or practice in the mirror. That stuff is easier said than done when your heart's doing a drum solo, right? That's because it's missing a key ingredient, personalized preparation. Here's the trick, use AI to simulate the conversation beforehand. Give the AI the details, and get ready to be amazed. Feed in what you want to discuss, your goals, and any specific challenges you anticipate. It's like having a rehearsal with a super smart coach. The AI provides suggested responses, anticipates counterarguments, and even offers tips on tone and body language. You'll walk in feeling totally ready. This isn't just about getting through tough talks, it's about building confidence. It's about feeling in control. This simple trick is the first step toward mastering any difficult conversation. Want to unlock even more AI communication secrets? Subscribe now for more hacks. Don't just follow, join our community and transform your talks.